In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on Zapier step by step so you can set up billing quickly and keep your automations running without interruptions. Whether you're upgrading your workspace, preparing for a paid plan, or simply getting your account billing details in order, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a simple and easy to follow way. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Zapier in your browser and sign in to your account. If you're not already logged in, enter your email and password, or use your preferred sign-in method to access your dashboard. Once you're inside, you'll be able to manage your account settings and billing options from the main interface. Now that you're signed in, the next step is to open your billing settings. Look toward the top area of the page and click on your profile icon. This is usually where Zapier keeps your account and workspace options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Inside the Settings area, click on Billing and Usage. This section is where Zapier stores all of your plan, payment, and subscription details. After that, open the Billing Settings tab so you can access the Payment Information section. Once you're in the Billing Settings area, scroll down until you find Payment Information. This is the section where you can add or update the payment method linked to your Zapier account. Click Add Payment Method to begin. Zapier may show you different payment options depending on your region and account setup, so choose the one you want to use. This could be a credit card, debit card, or another supported payment option. Next, you'll need to enter your payment details carefully. Fill in the required information exactly as it appears on your card or payment account. Make sure the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing name are all correct. Then select your billing country from the drop-down menu. This is important because it helps Zapier match your payment information with the correct billing region and tax settings. Before you move on, take a moment to review everything on the screen. A quick check here can help you avoid payment errors or failed billing submissions later. When everything looks good, click Save to store the payment method on your Zapier account. Once saved, your new payment method will be connected and ready to use for billing purposes. That's really all there is to it. You've now successfully added a payment method on Zapier and your account is ready for subscriptions, upgrades, or any paid features you want to use. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more clear and practical software tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.